In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts in Zoho campaigns using a file. Whether you're using a CSV, XLS, or XLSX file, I'll guide you through the entire process with ease and precision. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Contacts section. On the sidebar, you'll see an option labeled All Contacts. Click on it to open up the relevant page. This is where you can view and manage all the contacts you have in Zoho campaigns. Here, we'll begin the process of importing your new contacts. Once you're on the All Contacts page, look for the Import option. You can usually find this under the Add New button. Upon clicking Import, you should see several options. Select from File to proceed. This option allows you to upload a file that contains the contact information you wish to import. Now comes the crucial part: uploading your file. Make sure that your file is either in CSV, XLS, or XLSX format, as these are the accepted formats for the import. Before you upload, double-check a few important details about your file. First, ensure that the first row of your file contains field headers. These headers act as a guide to match the information in each column of your file to the corresponding fields in Zoho campaigns. Next, take a look at the file size. It should be no larger than 30 MB. If your file exceeds this size, consider splitting it into smaller parts or removing unnecessary data to meet the requirement. It's also essential to check the file encoding. It should be in UTF-8 format. Proper encoding ensures that special characters display correctly after import. When it comes to dates within your file, ensure they're formatted as MMODDGY. This uniform date format helps avoid confusion and ensures that date-related data is imported correctly. Also, make sure your file has no embedded images or special controls, as these can disrupt the import process and lead to errors. With all these checks in place, go ahead and upload your file. Zoho campaigns will guide you through the final steps of matching the fields and completing the import process. Keep an eye out for any prompts or messages that might require your input or confirmation regarding how certain fields are mapped. This process, when followed carefully, will make sure all your contacts are imported seamlessly into Zoho campaigns, ready to be engaged with your marketing efforts. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in importing your contacts easily and efficiently.